what this as the community lead. She's a student, and she's really been very active, and has been really pushing also into this. And I think what she has done so far is testimony of the drive she has had. She's doing bachelor print one. I hope I'm correcting you. So yeah, but she's
Yeah.
got so much drive. She's one of the core. She's also been leading in the trainings. But Nyuyyu, I'll allow you to talk about your experience joining this community and what this means for you now, for the new people to see the value in it. Go ahead, please.
Thank you so much, Uncle Banjika. And you're right, I'm 21. Okay, so welcome once more to everyone. Greetings. Welcome to the new people. Yeah. Okay, so let me start with my journey with the AWS challenge. That's when with the Wirfon Cloud community, there was this AWS challenge that we started in October, and I had a wonderful team, Lady T, Auntie Yolande, Mr. Akwo, Chiche, Auntie Vero. I think, yeah, they really did help support me a lot. And we had also the leader, my mentor, Uncle Banjika, that held us all along the way, at least helped me all along the way during the practitioner preparation. And thanks so much to him. We also had some networking experts like Mr. Akwa and Chiche that did help us, because when we started with the AWS challenge, the aspect of networking was still so new to us. So they really help us break the networking part. So that's one of the advantages in Wirfon Cloud community. You have people with different expertise and all that they bring that, and we support one another. So in this community also, we also encourage people to take skills like in programming. There was this Python course for everybody that was shared earlier on in our community, in the WhatsApp group. And later on, there was Terraform course that Uncle Banjika did encourage us to take. So fast forwarding it ahead, in December, I did pass the AWS Cloud Practitioner, and I'm a certified AWS practitioner. And later on, I got a job at Deliord. That's Deliord, Germany, the branch in Germany. And I was just, that has been a big turning point in my life, because with just the AWS Cloud Practitioner certificate, I got this job. I was like, that's a big wow. And I can't thank this community a lot. There's so much support we have had, and especially from Uncle Banjika, would put in all efforts to help us all along the way. You could call him, ask him questions, he will look for that, search and send all of this information to you. I'm so much grateful, and I'm so much happy with the impact, how this community has transformed my professional life. Not only my professional life, that's made me, because we have classes at 5:30 in the morning. And imagine you have to wake up at 5:30 in the morning and have a class till 7. It has, then again, you have other courses that we are being encouraged for us to take. So it's helped me push myself further, helped me know there are some limits that have that's helped me go beyond my limit. Let me put it that way. So far, it has been 2 weeks that I'm working in Deliord. And alongside this, one of the project manager recommended the Terraform course for me to take. And guess what? That course was exactly the same one Uncle Banjika told us that recommended to us to do in the Wirfon Cloud community. So I was like, wow, how did Uncle Banjika see this coming? How did he see it from far? So that's a big plus with me at my job site. And that big plus is that teammates that join the same time like I'm joining, they are taking courses in the AWS practice. They are training, the company is like, they're taking courses, training in with the AWS Cloud Practioner. And when I come in, I'm like, I'm ready. I already have the certificate, and I'm now working the solutions architect. They were like, wow, this is great. And I felt so much uplifted. The level of it was so much amazed. I loved the feeling. It just felt so good knowing that because of this community, because of what Uncle Banjika and Dr. Shian created, I'm here at this point. This is where I find myself in. And moreover, as I just came in, the next week I was already assigned a project to work on, since I already had the practitioner. So they saw I'm comfortable working with the AWS, with the practitioner knowledge as well. And we had to work with things like with continuous integration and continuous development. We have things like code deploy, code commit. And these are terms that we had heard of in the both in the practitioner and the solutions architect, which I'm currently taking. And when they were having meetings and they were speaking of migration on premises to the cloud, and they spoke of Oracle database in the on premises, and they were speaking of migration, immediately I was just connecting the dots, knowing that, oh, they are going to use a schema converting tool. They're going to use database migrating tool. And that's what they were saying in the group. So the feeling is another level when you get in the job and they're speaking of things you're done practically. So I'll just end with, this community has turned my life, professional life, to another level. And I can't say thank you enough. And I'm very sure you joining, the people that are joining for the first time, you're going to have fun. You might think 5:30 is too early for you. At some point, you find it fun. We had people in the group like Lady T, who they made learning so fun. And that's what I appreciate from this community. And also another one, don't feel scared to ask questions. At the beginning, there are going to be lots of questions. Ask them. So that's all. Thank you, Uncle Banjika.